Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and files. Make sure CorelDRAW X7 is closed and you run as an administrator. Find or copy a tested dark workspace file with the DES extension or export your existing workspace for a restore point. Once done, open CorelDRAW and immediately export your current workspace using Tools, Options, Workspace, Export to create a safe backup. This prevents loss. It lets you revert if anything looks wrong after the dark theme is applied. Now import the dark workspace file to change the interface. Go to Tools, Options, Workspace, Import, and pick the DES file you prepared. Once imported, apply it and restart CorelDRAW when prompted so every UI element reloads in the new scheme. After restart, make fine adjustments. Go back to Tools, Options, and tweak colors or page background to get the exact contrast you want. This ensures menus, toolbars, and dockers match the dark theme and remain readable. Finish by saving your customized dark workspace. Export it from Tools, Options, Workspace so you can reuse it or move it to another machine. If something looks off, icons missing, contrast poor, reset the workspace or re-import your original backup. DES to revert quickly, then retry the dark import. Also make sure document page color is set separately under Layout or Page Background. Dark UI does not always change canvas color, so adjust it to avoid surprises when working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.